finish your conversation and want to completely close Viber? Learn the right way to exit the app on your phone or computer so it's not running in the background. Properly exiting Viber means closing the application entirely, so it's no longer actively running in the foreground or background, unless your system is set to allow background data for notifications. This can be important for battery life, data usage, or simply ensuring the app isn't active when you don't need it. So, from the Viber app, tap on More by the bottom right corner. There, go to Settings. Then, onto General. The last option in General Settings should be one labeled Exit. You want to go ahead and tap on it. In the confirmation prompt, tap on OK. And just like that, you'll have exited Viber. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!